Let's quickly understand bubble sort. Imagine you have a list of numbers, say 5, 3, 8, 4, and 2. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm, so of course the goal is to sort this list of numbers. Now bubble sort works by repeatedly comparing two neighbors and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. You can think of bubbles in water. The largest numbers slowly bubble up to the top, or in our case, to the end of the list. Here's how it works step by step. You start with the first two numbers, which is 5 and 3 in this case. Since 5 is greater than 3, you swap them. And now the list is 3, 5, 8, 4, and 2. Now move to the next pair, which is 5 and 8. 5 is less than 8, so they're fine and you don't need to swap, because 5 being less than 8, it means they are sorted. Then compare 8 and 4. Now since 8 is greater than 4, we swap them. And after that we get 3, 5, 4, 8, and 2. And then we compare 8 and 2, and since 8 is greater than 2, we swap again to get 3, 5, 4, 2, 8. At the end of the first pass, the biggest number 8 has bubbled to the end. Now we simply repeat the same process again and again until no swaps are needed. And eventually, this list becomes fully sorted, giving us 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. And that's bubble sort. It's super easy to understand, but not the fastest. The time complexity here is O(n square, meaning it gets really slow for big lists. But it's great for learning how sorting works. If you found the video insightful, drop a like and subscribe for more.